Junglist.
So we are going to look at our solar panels for the very first time in person.
That's right. They've been stored over at our buddy's place, his family's solar company called Sundance Power Systems.
And not only are we going to look at them, but we are going to test them.
Yeah.
So we're going to be hooking them up and making sure all the panels that arrived are in good working order.
And also, we're going to be looking at some racking systems, cabling, connectors, mounting hardware, that sort of stuff for the roof installation. I don't know how deep we'll get into all that, but it's definitely going to be a part of today.
All right, let's go take a look at these panels.
Back to the bus. Bring him to the escape velocity. Six cylinders or 128, is that it? Something like that. They're not tiny.
They're not tiny.
No. Yeah, the plan is to fit 10 of these on the roof.
Junglist.